Hello folks, Akhil here, and today I am going to show you how you can get Windows 11 right now. You don't have to wait till end of the year when it releases for public. You can get Windows 11 right now. Windows 11 Insider build is available and you can also get it. Just sign up for Windows Insider program, or if you are already a Windows Insider, you can get Windows 11. Well, let me warn you before you install this build of Windows 11, as this is a Windows Insider preview build, it may not be stable compared to general public releases. But if you want to try Windows 11, you can follow the process I am going to tell and get Windows 11 right now. Here I have Windows 10 installed on my PC and I am going to upgrade to Windows 11 from Windows 10. Firstly, you need to join Windows Insider program, and for that just go to settings and from here update and security. Next click on Windows Insider program and then click on get started. Then from here you can choose your Microsoft account, and once you select the channel, let's click on back and then click on Windows Update. And right here you will see that Windows 11 Insider Preview is available to download. Just click on download and it starts downloading. Once it finishes downloading, it will kick off the installation process. Once the install finishes, click on restart now. And after completing update process, here we have the latest version of Windows 11 installed on my computer. So this is how easily you can also get Windows 11 right now. Do let me know down below in the comments, were you able to successfully get Windows 11 on your PC? Or if there are any issues, do share those in comments. I will try to share fix for them. This is what I had in this video. Hope you find this useful. If yes, give this video thumbs up and please consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. See you all in the next video.